Hello everyone. In this demo, we are going to see how one can extend the Oracle integration accelerators and meet their customer needs and upgrade to the latest version without losing the extensions that he has created. So for that, the solution that we are going to look today is between the Fusion service and the field service. So this solution is already published on the Oracle integration store as an accelerator. So to find that, all I need to do is filter for the business accelerator, search for B2B. Now this accelerator comes with a rich documentation. So can easily find out how exactly this solution is built, what use case it is done. All the information has been richly provided by the team. Now going back, all I need to do is just click on get. As I click on get, the solution will be installed and it will be made available in the projects. So I'll just quickly go on to the projects. And as we get the notification, we got the notification, we can say refresh. As I say refresh, the solution is available in the project. So here we are on the Oracle integration instance where we have configured everything to save the time. So let's quickly go on to the Fusion service instance. Here we are. Now we are going to create the work order using the Fusion service. So as we can see, they've done that quite tight integration between the Fusion service and the field service. Let me key in the data that is required. So here we are on the screen, which allows you to select the resource and the schedule. This is coming from actually field service. As I do it, I have to click on save and continue. Now, all I need to do is just refresh and wait till the order is synchronized from the Fusion service to the field service. So here we are now that the work order is synchronized, we can go to the Oracle integration, and if we go to the observability, we'll be able to see some instances which have just executed right now. So this shows that the flow was able to synchronize the work order from the Fusion service to the field service. Now, what we need to do is if I go to the field service and search for the user, so I'm here in the field service and I search for the user Anton. And as I select the user, we'll see its schedule has been defined over here. So this is the order that we have just synchronized. If I click on the details, we'll see that all the information is synchronized except the account number. Now this is where we'll use the extensibility and try to map this field using the extensibility layer. So for that, let's go back to the Oracle integration. Now I have two flows here. Update is for the update scenario and create is for create scenario. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend the update for now, but in practicality, I will need both the extensions. Okay, so to extend, I need to first deactivate the flow. As the flow is deactivated, all I need to do, go to the desired endpoint and say extend. I can do extend before or after. Now this extension group becomes the base construct for extension. So if I click on add, I can see I can add new invoke or I can perform bunch of actions over here. For the current scenario, I'm going to use the data stage. Now what I need for data stage is I need the customer number. So I know in the current request, I have customer number, which needs to be brought in from the event. So I'm going to just drop in the customer number over here. And from the value point of view, I need to use the string function because the data which is coming from the event is coming as an integer. So I'll just select that. And as I have selected it, let me go in. If I scroll down, the field will select it. So I've selected it. I have to click outside, click on save. So likewise, I need to extend the create integration also. So just to summarize, I've also extended the create scenario with the same functionality as the update because I need to handle both the scenarios. So once I've done the extension, let me activate the integrations. Now that both integrations activated, all I need to do is just go back onto the Fusion service, click on save as. I've not changed anything, but I just want to show you because I've updated the update integration will now execute. And as that update integration executes, we will see that the information flows from the Fusion field service, and this time the account number is also synchronized. Okay, so here we are, we can see that the new flow has executed. So if I go back now to the field service and quickly check for the record over here and click on the details, I will see that this time the account number information has been brought in. So this showed that we were able to extend. Now let's talk about the update scenario. So if I go back now to the home screen, I can just go to the store and search for my accelerator over here. I can see there's an option to get the latest. As I say get latest, there's an option to merge the extensions. So this is what basically tells the system that you need to bring in the extension. So if I just wait for this update to be installed and I go inside the project, we'll see that the new version will be not only installed, but we'll also see that merge is being done. So you can see new version is installed, merge is in progress, and as I expand it, the merge is successful. So I can also access this merge report by clicking this icon over here and see which all flows. So you remember we updated create and update both, but create merge flow is what was updated with the new version. That's where it showed up. And now we can see that simply by going in over here, this solution has been brought in, and not only that, the extension that we did for this has also been brought up. So this concludes the demo how we can extend the solution and preserve the extensibility.